Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from Miami. And a question that's often asked in keto is, are the short-term goals more preferable than setting a long-term goal? With weight loss, weight release, you should have some goals in mind to achieve and accomplish and to meet your aims. And it's often asked, well, should I do a short-term goal? Should I really conceive of things in the long term, month to month, as opposed to week? And my answer always is go week to week. Use short-term goals of accomplishment as you go on with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Short-term goals are more achievable. Certainly, you have more control of what's going on within the week as opposed to going month to month. Certainly, short-term goals help you stay focused and ready to, prepare for the next week, in terms of if you're doing a lot of food prep, which is really much recommended in keto. Number three, short-term goals help manage expectations. And the basic expectation for weight loss is 1 to 2 pounds lost per week. And that is the kind of the linchpin or thing, the ideal kind of thing to happen is 1 to 2 pounds of weight loss per week. Some people do more, some people do less, but that is a good expectation if you're following keto. Short-term goals help manage expectations, which is very, very positive. The short-term goals incorporate progress. You can celebrate your small victories from week to week, which will add up to big victories down the line. And short-term goals allow for flexibility. It's very important to be flexible. If for some reason you fall off the wagon one day, get back up and get back on the wagon and get on track the next day. It does allow for flexibility as you go week to week with your goals as opposed to month, when sometimes you just lose perspective if your goals are too unrealistic going month to month. Again, the realistic goal for keto is a weight loss, weight release of 1 to 2 pounds per week. If you're losing 4 to 8 pounds a month, that's fantastic. Some people do better. Some people do more, I think that small weight loss is better than large weight loss in terms of sustainability down the line. If you're losing weight slowly but progressively, that's more positive than a very large weight loss in a month's time. We've seen situations that when you're losing weight gradually and consistently, it's more sustainable in the long run because you're introducing habits that are becoming very much grasped by your metabolic system, and it generally leads to very, very positive results. So there you go. There's my take. I certainly would recommend a short-term goal over a long-term goal in terms of enhancing your probability of success with the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And certainly as a backdrop to any nutrition plan like keto, I would recommend a complete plant-based protein from the good people at LiveGood, which will give you 20 grams of protein per serving. It's very easily absorbable, and it contains pea protein and hemp protein, organic hemp protein, and fermented protein. 20 grams of protein in a serving. It's very easily dissolved in unsweetened coconut milk, for example, you might use as a liquid to blend this with. It's very, very good in the morning. And there you go. That's my discussion. Any comments, please write me below. Any comments or thoughts about this video. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I truly appreciate you doing that. and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care now. Bye-bye.